How to sign in Metlife Provider account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, I'll be showing you how to log into your Metlife Provider account. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Metlife Login. You should see a list of options. Click on the first link that says login to your Metlife account. Now you will be taken to the official MetLife login page. Here you will see fields asking for your username and password. Ensure your username in the first field. Next, in the password field, enter your password. Once you have filled in both the fields, click on the login button. If your username and password you enter are correct, you should be logged in to your MetLife account. If you have forgotten your username or password, don't worry, you can click on the option provided in order to recover them. If you have forgotten your username, simply click on Forgot the Username option. Now you will be prompted over here. Here you need to enter your email address, and once you have confirmed your email address, username will be sent to your email address, and that's it. You have successfully logged into your MetLife account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.